Hi everybody, first I'm going to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means so much to me that you guys like my content enough to actually subscribe and continue watching and come back on this stuff. So yeah, before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and comment down below. Now that I have 1,000 subscribers, I did a get to know me tag back in the beginning, but I might do a Q&A, so if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments, and anything else you want to say, just to kind of like reintroduce myself a little bit more, since now I have more subscribers and it's like a kind of different audience. But yeah, so anyway, today's video is going to be how I refresh my week-old curls. So it's been a full week since my last wash day, and I'm not quite ready to wash it again, so I just refreshed it really quickly. It was super easy, and I show you guys those steps. I'm probably going to do more hair videos on my channel. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. Don't forget to comment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.
Yikes. So this is my hair before. I had been wearing it out every single day, but I put it up in a scrunchie and I kind of just left it in a scrunchie yesterday. I've been wearing my hair out so that my hair isn't pulled as much, doing buns and all that stuff, but I part my hair down the middle and just hold the scrunchie on the one side just so I can get a full grasp on the first side. That spray bottle is filled with about maybe 2-3 drops of some deep conditioner and water, and I just stir it up, shake it up, and spritz that throughout my hair just so I can wet it and add some moisture without having to wash or co-wash or deep condition my hair or whatever. Now I'm adding more of my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extra Strength Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture, which is my favorite leave-in conditioner, and I'm just putting that through my hair. I kind of try to start in the back and separate it because, don't want to just throw it all in my hair all at once. And I go through and I do the same thing on both sides. I just want to make sure that I'm getting the leave-in conditioner on all strands of my hair. When I pull out each individual strand, it kind of makes it more defined, but I do want to add that moisture back into my hair because, as you guys saw in the beginning, the middle of my hair was extra dry and my curls were starting to get a little bit limp from me laying on it and pressing it or whatever. Yeah, typically with the wash and go routine that I use, so I just usually need to wet my hair and then maybe add leave-in conditioner like around the front if I pulled my hair up for the night. But yeah, so it's usually basically a shorter rendition of this, although this is pretty short. It's literally took 5 minutes. Honestly, it takes absolutely no time to refresh my curls. Like, yeah, this is nothing. As you guys can see, I kind of spent a lot of time in the back and middle of my hair because, like I said, it was dry. That part of my hair gets so dry. Everyone's crown of everyone's head is super dry and needs extra moisture, so I'm doing that. And I wear my hair pushed to the back. I don't do a middle part when it's curly, so I'm just doing that right there and defining some of the curls that are closer to the front. So I've got a little bit of a side part going on right here, nothing major, and then I'm going to add some gel for my edges. So it doesn't really matter what you choose to use to do your edges, but this is what I used today, and I used my edge brush. It has the comb on the one side and the brush on the other side. You guys can see in my other doing different natural hairstyles video every single day for a week. Check that video out and you can see more in depth how I do my edges every day, or if you guys wanted a separate tutorial of me doing my baby hairs, I would do that for you guys too. But I really just kind of brushed it pretty simple today, since I'm just wearing it out and it's like no one's gonna really see my edges with my hair out. Like I didn't even bother to do the side that my hair is covering because no one will see it. So this is hours later after I recorded my final clip, but I wanted to show how my hair looks fully dry. It has a lot of volume. You can see my curls pretty well here, and it's still moisturized and all that stuff, so defined. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like a better look at what my hair actually looks like once it's dry after it's been refreshed. So yeah, this is my hair after I let it dry a little bit and fluffed it out a little bit. I think I let it dry for about 30 minutes. But yeah, it's all curly again and moisturized, which is a big deal for me. I've been trying to wear my hair out more instead of just throwing it in a bun, because throwing it in a bun is not healthy for your hair at all. But like I said before, if you guys have any other hair videos you would like to see, let me know down below in the comments or DM me on Instagram at m1a.g. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave any questions for a possible Q&A down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon.